Hey, hi. We're back. So we did the unboxing, and hey, Phantom, go sit down. So we did the unboxing, and here are the pans. There are 9 pans. There's 1, 2, 3 frying pans. There's 1, 2, 3 sauce pans. There's this big skillet and a big, like, what I call a soup pan or whatever. I don't know what you call it. But the main thing I wanted to show you is on the bottom of each pan is it shows you what it is. This is a 1.5 quarts. It also gives the model number and also I think that's the order number. I'm not sure, but I think that's important because whenever you're looking at recipes and such, you know if they call for a 1.5 quart saucepan, you've got the identity right there. For example, on the Ninja Foodi website, they actually show how to fry an egg, and right off the bat, the guy says this is a 10.25 inch fry pan. So it's identified right there. I think that's important so you know which pan to use. Also, there's also 5 lids. I really like these lids. Let me show you. Look how that fits. It fits on solid. There's a little lip there so they can sit on the pan. And once you put it, you know it's there. It's very solid. It's one piece. It's very solid. So I really like these lids, and there's 5 of them, and they're interchangeable within the frying pans and the saucepans. So anyway, that's the picture. I'm really excited about it, and here in a minute I'm gonna possibly create another video on how to fry but an egg in the pan. So thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe and become a charter member to Ninja Foodi Friends. Take care. I'm back, and I just noticed here on this side of the box, which we didn't record earlier, a description of each pan and what it's good for. So I just wanted to put that on there, and you can stop the video and read the descriptions.